So, how do you find the right products for your hair? This is an amazing question, and I think it's the question that everyone really wants an answer to. I am a tiny bit biased, so I would say getting custom-made hair products is the way forward. Check out thatgoodhair.co.uk. No, but I think it's really important to understand all of these factors that I've spoken about. So it's important to know your curl pattern, it's important to know your hair porosity, your hair density, your hair texture. All of these different compartments play a part into how products will work for your hair. I think when I first started to look after my hair, I had very damaged blonde hair for whatever reason, and so it was really difficult for me to kind of find how to look after my hair. My mum has naturally wavy hair, so I didn't really know what to do to actually look after my hair. So for me, YouTube was a godsend, because I would look at people and I would look at their hair and I would go, okay, you have hair like this and your hair looks similar to mine. But I think it's really about knowing your hair. So take time to work out your hair type, your hair texture, your hair porosity, your hair density, all of these different things. And if you figure out, oh wow, I have very low density hair, that means I'd like lightweight products. So I would like a curl milk, I would like a spray leave-in conditioner, I would like lighter moisturizing things, but with active ingredients that really penetrate my hair. So if you know that you have high porosity hair, then maybe coconut oil isn't the perfect oil for you. There's just loads of different elements that you definitely want to explore when you are trying to find the right hair products for you. So I hope that helps.